We got an ambulance getting on the highway. This is bad. Yo. What's good, YouTube? Back here in another video, man. Look at the homeless person. Say what's up to the camera. Can't see him good. But today we finna go into a thunderstorm. Like, you see how dark those clouds is? Yeah, I'm about to head right in there. Like, yo, we are about to hit a thunderstorm. And they are calling it a severe thunderstorm. If that, like, bro, we're finna get active out here, bro. Like, for real. We're about to get active. Yeah. Finna drive right into this shit, man. I've been driving to the storm. They're calling it a severe thunderstorm. So, hail, possibly winds. Ooh, it looks so dark. Like, it looks dark, bro. I ain't even gonna lie. It look dark. It look dark. We finna get into it, man. We finna get into it. Oh yeah. Oh my gosh. Like, y'all do it though. I'm gonna put y'all right here. Get good focus. See how magnificent that cloud is, bro? Like, this shit is crazy, man. Look at the front, bro. Like, grabbing it right now. Alright, it's starting to rain. Slipping right into it. The rain is here. Hold on. Yo, we're gonna see how bad this thing really gets. Like, I ain't gonna lie, bro. If a tornado came out of this thing, I would not be surprised. The way it just got dark. Like, it just got dark, gang. Like, yo. This shit, it got dark. And it's traffic, so like, it's about to get active, bro. We about to get active. Apparently, this storm's supposed to have some wind gusts to it, and based on the look of this thing, this looks like it could drop a tornado. I ain't even gonna lie. Yeah, we got leaves blowing around. Oh, well, we got somebody already trying to cut in front of traffic right here. Like, no. He's trying to cut people off. We finna ride this thing through. Live and direct. We finna ride this thing through. Oh, this is bad. We got an ambulance getting on the highway. We got traffic. Yeah, this is bad. We haven't even gotten into the storm. Bro, the front is still right there. We're still in the front of this thing. Look at that. The sun is shining through. This is magnificent, bro. Like, so magnificent. Damn, bro. We ain't even gotten into the storm yet, yo. We ain't even gotten into the storm yet. So far, we've got regular rain. And the wind is picking up. Got a car on the side of the road. Yeah, the wind is starting to pick up. And I'm only going 30 miles, so yeah, this is about to get rough. And the sun is right over there. Alright, picking up even more. Well, guys, here we go. The action of this beauty of this storm. Can't see nothing. The rain's picking up. Yo, you know it's bad. You see it right there. Like, oh, please. Alright. I missed that. I seen it with my eyes, but I didn't let y'all didn't see the lightning spray I just saw.
That is pretty bad.
Like, that was some crazy lightning. I'm not gonna lie. That was crazy. That was crazy. Okay. It sound like hell. Yo, it sound like it's starting to hail now. Small hail. Small piece of the hail starting to fall. Ooh, that hail just flew in my car. Y'all can see it. You can see the hail hitting the side mirror. Bro, I feel like we haven't even gotten full out into the storm yet. Like, I feel like we're still on the outskirts of it. And you can still look at the sun. Yeah, that's crazy how you can still see the sun. Great. So far, it's rain and small hail and lightning here and there. I'm not gonna lie, I've been in way worse storms. But yesterday was bad. Yesterday was a bad storm too. I didn't record that for y'all. It's like, this thing's so big. It's a line. So wherever the bad part of the storm is at, or the worst, it's around some of these areas, bro. You still see the sun. Damn, that's amazing. You still see the sun. Still see the sun. You can still see the sun. Okay, y'all, so basically I'm on the weak part of the storm right now. The full dang, bro, like I ain't gonna lie, it was pretty intense, but like the lightning is still hitting, like the lightning is still going. But the worst of it, it's like, it's around the area. You know, like with a storm, when you get a storm, see with these storms, it's like a hit or miss. Like you gotta go to where they're really bad, like the worst of it is at. And I feel like I'd have been worse. Like this is bad, because it is raining and it's heavy rain. And it's, you know, the lightning is pretty intense, but like I done been in way worse than these. This is a nice looking storm though. It was definitely a nice looking storm. But yeah, this is just moderate rain now. We're in the clear. You know, you made it this far in the video. Appreciate you watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Provide you with more content of the weather. And I'm gonna start chasing these storms for y'all, man. Trying to get the action. Man, because North Carolina storms, they get pretty bad. Like, it just gotta be a perfect day, and the air and the moisture, like the ingredients gotta be kicking in, bro. Like for real, bro.